Dear students, myself Vijay Pratap Singh. Today we are going to discuss about capital and revenue. This is the very important part of class 11th and 12th both. So we have to discuss about these all things. हम इनके बारे में जानेंगे. What is the meaning and what is the difference between both and what is the importance of both? This is the very important part. With the help of that, we have to discuss today capital and revenue. Dear students, you know very well about the capital. Capital is the one product. Suppose for example, I had purchased land and building. We know very well, if I had purchased land and building, it should be there for some time. That one is a car, capital. Suppose for example, I had purchased one car, and you know very well car duration is a maximum 15 year according to government registration. Means on that much time I have some particular goods. That one is a car, capital. On that time we have to know these all things is an important part of our accounting process. So now we are going to start our topic with the help of capital and revenue. So we have to discuss about first what is the capital expenditure. So dear students, in front of you I have written small information, small notes is a very important. With the help of that you can able to understand each and every topic and you can able to make a short note. With the help of that you can able to clear your each and every doubts. And this is a very important part. So come on the topic, capital expenditure. Any expenditure which incurred in acquiring or increasing the value of fixed assets. Here, increasing the value of fixed asset. This is a very important part. Increasing the value of fixed assets in the term as capital expenditure. This is the very important part. A small definition is given in front of you. With the help of that, you can able to learn and you can able to identify with the help of this small two-line definition is given in front of you. Once again listen. Any expenditure which incurred in acquiring as increasing the value of a fixed assets in term as capital expenditure. This is the important part. The value of fixed assets. This is the important part. The value of fixed assets is the called our capital expenditure. Suppose for example, land and building. Land and building is the example of our capital expenditure. With the help of that, we can able to explain about this. This is the example of capital. Another one, plant and machinery. This is the also example of our capital expenditure. We had spent here money to preparing our capital. That's why this is the example of capital expenditure. We had invested here money to purchase a machine or plant for developing our activities. So this is the important part. Next one is the furniture. Suppose we had given expenditure to purchase furniture, then furniture is also example of our capital expenditure. With the help of these three examples, other examples are also given. You have to learn, but here importance I have given only three because less space is given on the board. So I have written only three examples in front of you. With the help of that, you can able to explain these all things. First one, land and building, plant and machinery, furniture. These types of things are given somewhere. That's just you have to tell. This is the topic of capital expenditure. Suppose for example, written anywhere, I had purchased machines on 1 lakh cost I had given for machine. After that, transportation charges I had provided 10,000. Okay. After that, next one, installation. Suppose I am going to install our machine. Okay. Installation I am writing shortly 10,000. Okay. Installation charges. The three charges I had paid here. First, I had paid 1 lakh to purchasing a machine. After that, 10,000 I had paid for transportation. After that, 10,000 I had paid it for installing, and transport 10,000, 1 lakh for machinery. When we have to calculate each and every one, then our machine cost is 1,20,000. If this type of question is written somewhere, just you have to identify and write it. This is the example of capital expenditure. You have to write in the capital expenditure column. Otherwise, you have to write in front of you. This is the example of capital expenditure. With the help of that, you can able to analysis this thing. Next one is given in front of you, revenue. So in front of you I have written simple definition of revenue. Meaning is also we can say any expenditure, the benefits of which is recorded during the current year itself is termed as revenue expenditure. Once again calculation, revenue expenditure, we can say any expenditure the benefits of which is recorded, otherwise which is received during the current year itself is termed as revenue expenditure. This is the very short note. It should be given in front of you. With the help of that, dear students, you can able to identify difference between both. It's a very important topic in front of you given. Same thing, it should be in the class 11, and same topic is given in the class 12 also in accountancy. That's why this is the important part I am explaining here with the help of this short lecture. This is the very important part. Now, example is given in front of you. If rent coming in the question, rent paid 1 lakh, just this example of revenue expenditure. If somewhere is written salary paid, just this example of revenue expenditure. Otherwise, repairing charges should be written. Repairing charges written 20,000. If I had paid for my particular machine, just it is an example of revenue expenditure. After that, depreciation. If depreciation is written in front of you, just you have to give this example of revenue expenditure. Just we can able to identify with the help of these all lines what is the meaning of that and which is the example of which particular capital expenditure or revenue expenditure. But one important information I am going to give you about that, repair. Sometimes repair is coming in the capital expenditure also. But how? First we have to know about it. Capital expenditure is a very important part. Suppose I had purchased one second-hand machine. Okay, I had purchased one second-hand machine cost is at 1 lakh. Machine, okay. One second-hand machine I had purchased at the cost of 1 lakh plus I had given repair charges 20,000. 20,000 I had given, the total cost being 1 lakh. 20,000. It should be the example of capital expenditure. This condition you don't have to forget. Very important part is given here. Once again listen. Suppose I had purchased one second-hand machine. This is the important part. Second-hand machine, don't forget. Second-hand machine I had purchased and cost is at 1 lakh. After that I had given repairing charges 20,000. Then machine cost is the 1 lakh 20. This is the example of capital expenditure. But only 20,000 is given somewhere, repairing charges, that one is the example of revenue expenditure. So dear students, it is a very important part is given in front of you. Please don't forget. And this is the small information provided by this lecture. So it should be very important part. Once again I am repeating what is the difference between both capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Listen. Capital expenditure, any expenditure which include in acquiring or increasing the value of a fixed assets in the term of capital expenditure. Example is given: land and building, plant and machinery, furniture, etc. Second one is given in front of you. Second one is given in front of you, revenue expenditure. Any expenditure, the benefits of which is recorded during the current year itself is termed as revenue expenditure. After that example is given in front of you, rent, salary, repair, depreciation. But it's a repair, I had explained with the help of example. If such types of topic will come, you have to give capital expenditure, but only repairing is given in front of you. That is the example of revenue expenditure. So dear students, with the help of this short video, short lecture, you have to able to capable to learn this both topic. So this is my request to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and other groups also. Thank you for listening my lecture, but don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.